out my own farts.
Oh. Oh my god.
Wait, what? Okay, first off, why did...
What? Dude, that one hurt?
Bryce's fart count went up to 409.
That is just not even accurate.
Oh, 410.
Let's show the rest of the house.
Whoa. Oh my god. Rated by line of walking?
Oh my god, dude. Oh, that is brutal,
Can someone?
bro. You ain't smell what, Ant?
I ain't smell stuff.
Health ed babies. It's like actually like cares what happens to it.
Air quality just got good and Bryce just ripped ass.
Open it and feed it. I'm not trying to walk behind Bryce right now.
I might fart.
You farted like 5 times in the past 10 minutes, dude.
Josh, this is your girlfriend application. Go for it. Did you just shit?
That's my girlfriend.
Yeah. Yeah.